Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 12Stay. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to fix login error in Epic Games. So let's get started. If you have the problem in login in, what we can do is let's get into File Explorer for now and click on this top button over here. And we need to search for local data here, local app data. Make sure you enclose it with percentage sign on the port side. And simply enter. Now let's get into Epic Games launcher here and click on saved. Now we can see web cache over here. Simply right click. We need to simply right click here and simply delete it. That is, we are clearing the cache here. After this, you can simply restart your PC as well. Also, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling your Epic Games Launcher app. After this, your problem will automatically be solved. So this is all we can do to solve the login error in Epic Games. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.